Hey there, Tamir from Fibonacci-Traders.com here, pre-market live, December 27th. Can we say 2023 is over? Can we start talking about 2024? How are you doing this morning, this evening, this afternoon, wherever you are in the world? As you all know me, and if you don't, my name is Tamir. Very nice to see you here. I am 7 years full-time trader. In my first 2 years of my trading journey, it was a pretty rough journey. Thousands and thousands of YouTube hours, Discord channels, WhatsApp, Facebook, Telegram. Whatever you want, whatever you did, I did it. I've been there, I've done that. Numerous courses, online courses, mentorship, one-on-one, live, whatever. I've done it. It took me 2 years to find my strategy on the technical side. And don't forget and never neglect the psychology behind trading, the mental side. So, who do I have here this morning? Hi Nadav, hi Aviad. Hi Ori, thank you very much for joining. Hi Ido, thank you very much. We already have requests from Ido. Just hit the like, subscribe, share with friends, bring family. I'm doing pretty good, Avi, thank you very much. How about yourself? How are you doing this morning, this afternoon, this evening, wherever you are in the world? I hope all is well with you. Who else do we have? Hit the like, hit the subscribe. Let's wait for a few more seconds for more people to join. Hi Yaniv Beaton, YB 2022. How are you this morning? Hi Sparty, long time no see. I hope everything is well. As you can see, we have here futures 2 hours, basically moving sideways, nothing much. Hi Ronan. All this area, very tough resistance. This area needs to hold the support. We have resistance, we have support. Ask yourself, what if? What if price will break below the 47.72? Where price might be heading next? You don't need to guess. All you need to do, Fibonacci gives you all the levels to the downside. Now ask yourself, what if price will break up above the 47.80? No need to guess. Same Fibonacci to the upside gives you future resistance for price action. And you also have this trend line. We can draw this trend line over here. Not this one. This one. It's pretty rough trend line. Too sharp in my opinion. So we need to take another one like this. I don't like trend lines that are too sharp to the upside or too sharp to the downside. This one looks pretty nice. Above 47.80, we might get all the way to 48.20. Let's see below it. We have this area over here, the 48,000. Follow prices, trend lines, and Fibonacci is your guide for future price action. I hope everybody saw my daily stock market review, the link just above here on the chat. How did you like the music in the start? How did you find it? Nice? Relaxing? Or too stressful? Let me know. I can change it. I can do whatever you want, whatever I want. It's my channel. But this channel is for you, ladies and gentlemen. I do it for you so you can learn how to follow yourself, become your own indicator, stop following others to tell you what to do. Just stop, because no one else knows better than you. Once you have the proper tools, you also can be a professional trader. And here we have another like this. Let's to the left. SPY going upwards. What do we have? Okay, let's talk about NEO. Okay. NEO. I'm waiting for another day continuation above this green line. This 920 area. Look left. Resistance over here. So, same price action we saw over here to the downside. We saw over here to the upside, right? This one went 17% to the downside. This one went 10% to the upside. Not surprising, but almost the same magnitude of price action. Now let's see continuation above the 920, and then we are heading towards this gap at the 1030. All eyes on NEO. Closing this gap, and then we might get some kind of a pullback, but we need continuation above also the 960. Will be a tough resistance over here. Above this one, and more than 95% chance this gap will get filled, and we might even go all the way to, never guess, ask Fibonacci. As you can see, we have Fibonacci at the gap, and then 1110 to the upside. You see, Fibonacci gives us everything. We don't even need to look left. Boom. Fibonacci. Learn your fibs, ladies and gentlemen. What else do we have? HUT. Can someone please let me know? I talked yesterday with YouTube customer support, and they say I should have the super chat. Can someone confirm we have super chat? No need to press the super chat, only if you want. Just check it out. Do we have it? Because I don't see it. I need to complain. Ask for a manager. Hot, all the way to a trend line. Now let's see how hot will break above this trend line, or are we going for some kind of a pullback? Cool off after this bull run. It's 100%. How much? Yeah, 100% in just, I don't know, 2 weeks. Cool off. Incoming. Breaking above, and we are heading towards the 2060. My 2 cents on HUT, Hut 8 Corporation. Hi, Onen. Yeah, YB, it was my name before 2000 years. I didn't believe YouTube will be at 2022. Thanks. Boom! Thank you very much. Now, all I need to do is how. Thank you, YB Yaniv, for this super chat. Thank you. I don't know how to make it here. Wait. I need to see how to do it. Bear with me. 1 second. 1 second. Thank you very much, YB 2022. Thank you very much. What is this? I don't know. This I don't know. What is this? 1 second. No, I don't want it. Anyway, I can do like this. I don't need YouTube. Thank you, YB, for this amazing super chat. Thank you very much. I do appreciate it. I do. If you have any question, let me know. So, hi, Leah. IWM target. Ronen, you did not see the daily market recap? IWM inside this uptrend channel. Now, let's see how it continues grinding up. breaking above this area, and we will see 214. There is no target. I never work with targets. All my students know that I don't have targets. We have entry point, we have stop loss, and that's it. As long as price is moving our side, in this case long, all we do is manage our stops according to ATR and Fibonacci. We don't have targets because no one knows where price might be heading next. Let's say my target take profit is 208, 209, 210. But price continues to 220. Price continues to 256. What else? What then? I will start running and probably I will lose all the gains I made until the 210 and more. So no targets for me and for my students is included. Because no one knows what will happen next. The only thing we have full control of, and I know I sound like a broken record, but this is the truth. The only thing we as traders have full control is how much am I willing to risk on each and every trade. Where to put my stop loss according to my risk tolerance. So where IWI might be heading? 256? 300? 330? No one knows. Maybe today will be the high and then boom, back to 162. No one knows. Manage your risk, aka stop loss. And if you don't know how to manage risk properly, first thing, please stop trading. This is the first thing. If we don't know how to manage our risk, we must stop trading now. Then we go to the Fibonacci Academy playlist. It's on my YouTube. Look for Fibonacci Academy playlist under playlists. There you have 27 videos on the technical side and the psychology behind trading. I have 2 very important videos. All of them are very important. All of them are the basics, the foundations of how to become a better trader each and every day. Look for how to use ATR. Look for Fibonacci levels. And use them both to manage your risk. What else do we have? What do I think about PTON? Peloton. Peloton. What do I think? First I have 2. I don't know why I have 2 alerts. But if you can see, Peloton inside this uptrend channel. Long continuation. Let's take Fibonacci. Swing low, swing high. Above 620, we can restart our long position towards 670, 730, and then 813. If you're already long on PTON and Peloton, your risk, aka stop loss, should be just below this trend line. Why this trend line? Because this trend line holds the higher lows. Once this trend line will break to the downside, this uptrend is done. What else? What else? What else? What else? YB, talk to me later. We will find the time for you. Talk to me on Discord or on Twitter. We will find the time. Thank you for the video that you mentioned about Peloton. Thank you, Avi. Hi, Faiz. Thank you very much for joining. Do you see Head and Shoulders on DRS? I don't. The only place I see Head and Shoulders is in my shower. Fibonacci traders, we don't rely on patterns because everyone can see whatever they want. I can understand what you're talking about. Like this is a left shoulder, head, right shoulder, but everyone can see whatever they want. The only thing we need to concentrate is our price action. What if price will break above the 1950? Can we go long? Of course. Of course, it's my opinion only, okay? It's for educational purposes only. Always do your own due diligence, ladies and gentlemen. And it doesn't matter which YouTuber it is, which Twitter account, Discord, or any other group, or any other, I don't know, social media. It's your money. Please, I beg you, take care of your money. It's good to follow others. It's good to take ideas. And my idea in DRS, long above 1950, at least 2 days above it. Short, below 18. You have all the levels to the upside. You have all the levels to the downside. What else? Hi, Rafael. Hi, Amir. Thank you very much, Rafael, for another perfect, great super chat. I don't know how to use it, but I will put it over here. Thank you, Rafael. I appreciate it very much. Hi, Nor. Hello, hello. Can you look? Iran is Iran is some kind of a Turkish milk drink, right? Iran. Do we have Turks on my viewers? IREN. Looking good. Energy. Iris Energy. Looking good. And I see my camera once again making trouble. And this is after I shouted on my production crew. I don't know what to do with them. What do I do with my production crew? IREN, as long as above the 8 was a very tough resistance. Now needs to hold the support. What's going on with the camera? Shouting at my production crew might not be enough. We need to fire some of them. As long as 8 is holding, you're good to go long and you have all the levels to the upside as resistance. Hi, Danny. Please, English only. This is an English speaking. This is an English speaking. No, I don't think it's the cable, Stanislav. It's something much more bigger. Something inside my card, I think. The graphics card. I think. I don't know. TA90. Long continuation above this area, above the 2020. Towards where? Fibonacci. 21 and 2200. I don't know what's happening. I don't know why it is happening. Please keep chat in English, ladies and gentlemen. Shopify, Mickey Shopify, go to the daily market recap link. Scroll up, you will find the link for Shopify. TMF, Direxon Daily, 20-year Treasury Bull shares. What the? Wait, we had a trend line. I don't know. I don't remember when we drew it. Broke. Too many gaps. I don't know what is it. I don't know anything about bonds, but I do know about price action. We broke up above this trend line. Now, looks like heading north. Towards where? Above 67. You have all the levels to the upside. If you're already long, use Fibonacci and ATR as your risk manager. You also have a very nice uptrend channel like this. Broke above downtrend. Now inside an uptrend channel. As long as you are inside this channel, you're good to go long. What else? What else? We talked about DRS. Amazon. Please keep your chat in English. We have viewers from all around the world, ladies and gentlemen. Amazon, same thing. Please check. I will put the link once again over here. This is my daily market recap. Check it out. Amazon basically moving sideways. 152 needs to hold, otherwise 150 and then back to this yellow trend line. Nothing much on Amazon. Long continuation above 155, and I want to see a break up above this yellow trend line. What else do we have? Let's see. Thank you, Avi. Noam, hi, how are you this morning? Thank you very much for joining. Aviv wants RK. We are long on RK. Why? It was on my top stocks to watch from Sunday. Broke above the green line. Continuation. Now this green line is our risk management, aka stop loss. And as you can see, ARK is struggling with this yellow trend line, but it's a good struggle. Why? It is a good resistance. Yep, you heard it right. There is such a thing as a good resistance. This is a good resistance. Have you ever heard about a good resistance? Yes, because this one from support to the higher lows, support to the higher lows, now resistance, but it's resistance for the higher highs. So as long as price of RK is grinding up below or above this trend line goes up. You have a gap over here, be careful, but for now we are heading north. 52.20 needs to hold, then this gap will get filled. This is my 2 cents on ARK. K. Airbnb. For Iran, thank you very much for joining. Airbnb, as you can see, trend lines from support resistance got rejected. Now let's see what's going on with Airbnb. You have Fibonacci. Now you had uptrend, retracement, 50% retracement, needs to hold. Let's see a bounce. I want to see a weekly close above the 141, and then we can take long on Airbnb. And here you have another perfect example. Let's do it like this. This will be our trend line, and as long as this trend line is holding a support, we are good to go long. But I want to see a bounce, a weekly close, maybe a bounce of this white trend line, bounce back, and then above the 141. ENPH, N phase. What's going on with N phase? Oh, wow. How did I miss this bounce? Nice, 100%, right? 84% in 1.5 months. Why no one told me about it before? Why? Now broke above, long continuation, good to go. Who asked for end phase? Noam. Thank you. After our last call, I thought you were my friend. No, I'm just kidding. Nice. Have a lot more to give. As long as above the 132 area, above this area, we are good to go on long. This is going on my watch list. Thank you. End phase. Let's take a look on TAN. TAN still not doing much. TAN is the solar ETF. Long above, also nice. Let's do alert over here. watch list. Above 53, 54. Above 54, we are heading towards 57 and then 61.50. Too many gaps, but it's ETF, so I'm not so concerned about ETFs. ETFs gaps. Okay, what else? What else? What else? Exas. What's Exas? Exact Science Corporation. For long. Nice round bottom. Now let's see. Continuation above this area. Above this area, we are heading towards 85. Nice. Round bottom means from downtrend, round bottom, uptrend. Long continuation above 70, above this red line. Next resistance will be the 85.60. Nice. Also going. This is why I love these lives, because you also give me nice setups. I appreciate it. I will give you guys super chats. Thank you. What else do we have? Change cable. It's not a cable. TNX. You want what is TNX? You want TNX or it's thanks? TNX. TNX downtrend until proven otherwise. You don't need me to show you this. Just downtrend. Massive, massive downtrend until proven otherwise. Hi, is there BitF? BitF, 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 Bitfarms. It's a bit minor. Broke. Now let's see continuation. We had all this area moved sideways. Now let's see continuation above the 320. Next, we have 364, 420. Let me check. Yep. 364, 360, 413. Long continuation. As long as this area, the 290, 270 is holding, we are good to go on BITF, Bitfarms Limited. Thank you, Esther. It's TLT times 3. Oh, yeah, I know, Mickey, but I don't understand about bonds. Nothing about treasury. Nothing. The only thing I do know is price action. We focus on graph, so it's okay. Yep, we focus only on graph. Amir, I'm waiting for start tomorrow. We are starting our one-on-one mentorship with Amir. KRE. Elad, thank you very much for joining. KRE, check first. Check this link over here. It's the stock market review daily, every day, 12 a.m. Eastern time, 7, I think it's 7 a.m. 7 a.m. Israel time, 1 p.m. China time, 3 p.m. Australia time. Regarding Fiji and Haiti, too far for me. I don't know their time zone. KRE inside an uptrend channel until proven otherwise. This area, you have a gap over here, but looks like bulls of KRE are grinding up back to the 54.50. IONQ for Tamir. I hope you... How many likes we have? Come on, ladies and gentlemen, you can do better than this. Hit the like, hit the like. IONQ, let's clean the chart. You have this trend line holding. Now, let's see a bounce back towards the 7, towards here, 1665, holding nice inside this uptrend channel, where price might be heading next. In my opinion, long above the 14, above this area, the 14.13, 14.20, and then you have all the levels to the upside. Your risk should be this trend line. Once it's breaking below this trend line, we need to shut down our long position. What else do we have? DR. What is this? First, no volume, so stay away. Less than 100k shares per day. You could not find anything better than this. Too risky, but you asked. Long above 9 towards 9.15, 9.40, 9.67. I do not trade shares with less than 300k volume per day. This is my minimum, 300, 350. That's it. Why do you go to this kind of names? Beyond me. I don't understand. Stay away from it. What do you think about Etsy? It's a nice website. I know some people making great money off it, selling stuff, weird stuff. But I guess you asked about price action. Etsy uptrend. Looks like some kind of a cool off. Long, I want to see back above the 85, and then above 90 we will see this gap getting filled. If you're already long on Etsy, 79 should be your stop loss. But of course, it's only my opinion. This is my risk tolerance. I cannot tell you what to do. You need to do your own due diligence. Look at this fine uptrend channel. Breaking below, you have the 79, below 79. If I was you, already in long, I would shut down this long. AR, CVNA, which one you want? CVNA or AR? Let's do AR. Every day we do CVNA. Let's do AR. Trying to bounce this massive. Look, why do you need to stay away from this kind of stocks? Look at AR. From November till today, this name lost 25%, where all the rest of the market just going up. Super weakness to the rest of the market. Stay away from it. You want to go long? Above 23.55, look left. It was support over here. It was support resistance over here. Long continuation maybe, as long as it's holding above the 22.80. And then you have 23.55 and 24.50 to the upside. But I don't like this kind of stocks because of the reason I just said. All the market is going up and this one is going down. Something fishy. Bitcoin or Bitcoin or coin? You want Bitcoin? This is Bitcoin. Still, with a double top scenario, this double top scenario needs to get negated only a weekly close above the 45. And then we will see 50. Above 45, in my opinion, 50, 51 is the next resistance. But for now, nothing good. On Bitcoin, basically moving sideways. Let's check some bit miners. You have coin on the edge of an uptrend. Cool off is a must. Nothing goes up forever. Cool off on coin is a must. 153 maybe? Riot also. Some cool off is a must. Look at this. Massive uptrend. Massive. Nothing goes up forever. Mara. Last week we had a short squeeze. This week looks like Mara is a continuation. It's way to the north. Long continuation above 28. We might get 41 before the next cool off. Let's see. Let's see where this trend line is taking us. Yeah, maybe here. Above this trend line, we are heading towards the 41.80, but this area, you agree with me that this is a very steep uptrend. Cool off is coming. BT. Also, uptrend channel. Hood. Moving sideways, long continuation above hood, above 1317 towards 1475. Can all this area, look left. Nothing is random with price. All this red line, long continuation above it, and then we will see 4. What else do we have? SWN will be the last for this very nice. I hope you found this live helpful and educational. So before you go to the other live, hit the like, subscribe, and you can recommend, and the other live, recommend for others about this live. You know what I mean. You know which live I'm talking about. SWN, long continuation above 677, and then you have 730, 770. So, I hope you found this video helpful. Like, subscribe, share with friends, recommend, bring family, bring friends. Let's grow this channel together. Let's become better traders. Let's teach each other. Let's support each other during our 2024 trading journey. Until the next live, stay safe. During our during our